It's okay, Nana. You're only okay, Nana. I miss you, I'm coming over. I could fight for your matter. I don't follow, I've been breaking protocol and back.
I really don't like fancy cars or modern cars. You have to do a lot of settings and well, I'm not used to it, so let's see how it goes. How to install the navigation system. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to Berlin. If you've been following the channel, you know I moved from Chemnitz to Munich, actually in Augsburg, for my practicum, my internship at BMW, and I've also gotten another internship in Tesla, which is at Berlin, so I have to move to Berlin. You can see that's all my things, and we are driving to Berlin. So this is going to be like a road trip. I drive, but I haven't driven for a long time like this before. That's like almost 6 to 7 hours. So you guys are coming with me. We are going to stop a lot on the road, because if I drive and I realize I'm getting tired, I have to stop, eat something, relax, sleep, and yeah, so the whole day is going to be a road trip, so come along with me. Yeah, at the end of about 30 minutes sitting in the car, everything is set, I'm about to go, so I will see you guys at my next stop, and when I'm taking breakfast. It's almost lunch, but anyway, see you, bye.
My mystery box is somewhere very near. I feel it inside me, I'm feeling very weird. Something where I had a chase for years back in the days. If you told me I would see this club where me, I won't believe you.
Hallo, ich hätte gerne bitte Dreierbox. Nein, ich brauche zweimal Pommes, Ketchup und Mayo. Ja, bitte. Fanta again. Yeah. Okay.
It's okay, Nana. You're only okay, Nana.
So fast, you.
I miss you, I'm coming over. I could fight for your matter. I don't follow, I've been breaking protocol and back on the journey for your matter. See my girl, I love you so. Even quarantine can't hold me back. Promise, never letting go. I've been thinking about you all day long. You they blow my mind. Just let me fix you breakfast in bed. Now sing for you a melody. I wrote for you on my six strings, and I don't mind when the whole world is fading and my heart is failing. I'll be with you, darling. And I say, when the whole world is fading and my heart is failing, I'll be with you, darling. And keep doing you do nothing, I will leave for another.
Alles gut, danke. Tschüss.
If they join me in for your matter, I could go through it, I don't in casa. If they join me in for your matter, I could go through it. See my girl, I love you so. If your quarantine can't hold me back, promise, never let it go. I've been thinking about you all day. You that blow my mind, oh. You that blow my mind, yeah. And I say, when the whole world is fading and my heart is failing, I'll be with you, I'll be with you, and I'll be with you all.
Here. I'm tired. I've rested a little bit. I've eaten. I have some amount of energy, so I have to go. I'm going back again. I'll see you guys inside the car, and let's go.
Nana, you're only okay, Nana. I miss you, I'm coming over. I could fight for your matter. I don't follow, I've been breaking protocol and back on the journey for your matter. See my girl, I love you so. Even quarantine can't hold me back. fast in bed. Now sing for you a melody. I wrote for you on my six strings, and I don't mind when the whole world is fading and my heart is failing. I'll be with you, darling. And I say, when the whole world is fading and my heart is failing, I'll be with you, darling. And keep doing you do nothing, I will leave for
So I had to stop and get coffee. I forgot to get coffee at KFC, so I came to McDonald's. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, McDonald's, and got some coffee and rested a little bit. And I'm hitting the roads again. Wow, driving for a long time is not it's not easy, but let's see how it goes. Yes, it's kind of shit. I just finished tanking the car, and hey, car no, it has chopped all the money. So eventually I'm getting closer to Berlin. I'm like 100 kilometers away from Berlin, and I just wanted to give you guys the updates. Actually 140, not 100 kilometers. So yeah, we still have some journey to go. Wish me good luck. You want some of it? Straight up.
I miss you, I'm coming over, I go fight for your matter. I don't follow, I've been breaking protocol and back on the journey. And for your matter, see my girl, I love you. If you come to get hold me back, I've been thinking about you all day long. Now sing for you.
I forgot to sign out. So yeah, I returned the car. I'm in Berlin now.